Hey everybody, Cheerful Baker here. This is a delicious recipe that my mom used to make for us when we were little.
Hello, my name is the Boss Girl, and I like syrup. Coconut. I don't know what I like.
The chocolate chips, you can take it or leave it. You can use honey instead of agave or maple syrup if you want to. The sugar in the oatmeal is an optional step. You don't have to do this, but it does add a little extra crispness to the granola after you're done. My brother didn't even taste chocolate until he was like 3 years old because my mom was such a health nut, so we didn't have a whole lot of sweets or sugary things around the house growing up, but this was a real treat for us, and it was healthy enough. My mom was okay with us having it. You can do this particular step in the microwave if you want to, if you don't have a stovetop available, but only do it like 10 seconds at a time.
I like to dance and put my ballerina thing on me. And I like to bake too. In my pretend kitchen. Sometimes I don't. I just follow Mom around and come in her room sometimes. I don't ask to come in her room. But sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. But share my video. Bye!
It's not over yet.
Oh. What? I missed the movie. I'm so sorry. But I love you guys. Subscribe my video, but I'm gonna still talk because it's not all the way to here yet.
Nope.
Subscribe my video. I'm still talking. I can't talk until I cannot talk until I stop. So we have to stir it up. Put it in the oven. We put it in there, and then we take it out, and then we eat it. Then we save it for tomorrow, then that's Saturday, and another day, and then another day, and then another day.
So we can eat it all week long?
Yes, we can all eat long.
All week long?
All week long.
But it doesn't really ever last that long, does it?
It doesn't really last that long.
We eat it too fast.
We eat it too fast. Yeah, we do sometimes, but
What's your favorite part about this granola?
I like to eat it. All gone.
All gone. Does it get toasty when you put it in the oven?
Yes.
It does. Does it smell good?
Yes.
Okay, what are they doing now? Bake it for 15 minutes.
Bake it for 15 minutes.
And then at the 15-minute point, you're going to want to take it out and just stir it a little bit to get even baking throughout, because the edges will crisp up a little bit too fast, and the inside won't get baked quite as much. So you want to just stir it thoroughly and then even it out real well so it gets crispy.
Yeah.
Do you like to sit and watch things bake?
Yeah.
You do? Yummy chocolate chips.
Wait, yes, you.
Yeah. Do you like to eat it with almond milk, or regular milk, or coconut milk?
I like to eat with coconut.
You like it coconut milk in yours?
Oh,
You know that'll be really good with the bananas, because then you kind of have like a tropical coconut banana theme. That could be pretty delicious.
So that's my video. Leave me in the comments. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe, you guys.
Like everyone on the side. Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. I love you guys. Please subscribe my video. I still love you and I need to talk. Bye bye.